Welcome back, my dear students. In this video I will explain some hormonal disorders. Okay, so in that first we know about the thyroidism. So general thyroidism may caused by the fluctuations of thyroxine hormones. Okay, so T3 and T4 thyroxine hormones. Okay, so general thyroidism it will be two types. So one is hyperthyroidism and another one is hypothyroidism. First we know about the hyperthyroidism. Okay, so in three reasons generally hyperthyroidism it may cause. So one is overactivity of thyroid gland. Okay, overactivity of thyroid gland. Second one is cancer. If cancer, it may cancer in the thyroid gland, and development of nodules. Okay, in these three reasons generally hyperthyroidism it leads to the hyperthyroidism. Okay, right, in these three cases, three reasons, it may leads to the hyperthyroidism. Okay, right, so hyperthyroidism means the thyroid gland releases high amount of thyroxine hormones, T3, T4 hormones. Okay, right, so when the thyroid gland releases high amount of thyroxine hormones, then it causes some disorders. Okay, yes, so disorders, so or diseases. Okay, right. In that the first one is exophthalmic goiter. Okay, so exophthalmic goiter. Yes, so this is one of the disease. So exophthalmic goiter means the characteristic is protrudes eyeball. Okay, eyeballs. Okay, eyeball. Okay, so that is called as, that is the characteristic of the exophthalmic goiter. So this is one of the diseases. The characteristic is protrudes eyeball. Okay, yes. So from the orbit, so slide partially the eyeball comes outside. Okay, right. So that is called as exophthalmic goiter. And another symptoms. There are many symptoms in the hyperthyroidism. So that is weight loss. Okay, right, and fatigue, or muscle weakness. Okay, fatigue or muscle weakness. Okay, tiredness. Okay, and tachycardia. Okay, so tachycardia means increasing heartbeat. So increasing heartbeat. Okay, increasing heartbeat. That is called known as the tachycardia. Okay, right. And air fall. Air fall. Okay, and sweatness. Okay, right. So and reproductive system dysfunction. Okay, and some diseases of eye diseases. Okay, so these are the symptoms of the hyperthyroidism. Okay, right. So this is about the hyperthyroidism. Now we know about the hypothyroidism. Okay, are you clear? So now we know about the hypothyroidism. So what is hypothyroidism? Yeah, hypothyroidism. Right. So generally the hypothyroidism caused by the inadequate supply of iodine. Okay, that means deficiency of iodine. Yeah, so deficiency of iodine. So deficiency of iodine, it may leads to the hypothyroidism. Okay, so that means 50 micrograms per day. Okay, grams per day. Okay, less than 50 micrograms per day. That is the deficiency of iodine. It may lead to the hypothyroidism. Okay, right. So what is the these disorders of the hypothyroidism? So during the pregnancy time, so generally it affects the growing baby, and it causes a disease in a growing babies, that is cretinism. Okay, it causes a disease called cretinism. So cretinism is a disease caused in the growing babies at the time of pregnancy. Okay, right. So what is the characteristic of cretinism? What is the symptoms of cretinism in the growing babies? So the first one is stunted growth. So stunted growth in physically or mentally. Okay, stunted growth in physically and mentally. Okay, yes, that means mental retardation. Okay, but physically and mentally the growth is stunted. And low IQ. Okay, intelligence quotient. Okay, low IQ. And deafness and mutism. Okay, so mutism, so can't talk. Okay, so mutism and the abnormal skin. So these are the characters of the disease, of the disorder called cretinism. Okay, so these are the characteristic of the cretinism disorder. Okay, which caused in babies. Right. So another in adults, if you take in adults, it causes myxedema. Okay, it causes myxedema. Okay, right. So in adults it causes myxedema. Hypothyroidism causes myxedema. Yeah. So myxedema means here the characteristic of myxedema means weight gain. Okay, so weight gain. Okay, weight gain and swelling of face. Okay, puffy face, that means swelling of face. Okay, and intolerance of cold. Okay, intolerance of cold. Okay, there is another characteristic in hyperthyroidism. The hyperthyroidism patients intolerance of heat, but here hypothyroidism patients intolerance of cold. Okay, please note it. Right. And anemia. Okay, so anemia and bagging of ice. So bagging of ice. So here the bagging of carrying of ice. Okay, yes, bagging of ice and constipation Okay, and bradycardia. Okay, so here bradycardia means heart rate will be slows down. Okay, heart rate will be slows. Tachycardia means in the hyperthyroidism patients we can see in the tachycardia. Tachycardia means increasing the heartbeat. Here bradycardia means decreasing slows the heartbeat. Okay, right. And in adult women's it causes the irregular of menstrual cycles. Okay, it leads to the irregular menstrual cycles. Okay, in women's if you take in women's, generally women's generally it causes it leads irregular menstrual cycles. Okay, right. So this is the symptoms of the hypothyroidism. Okay, right. So in inadequate deficiency of iodine, it leads to the hypothyroidism. So here this hypothyroidism also called as the simple goiter, simple goiter. Okay, simple goiter. Right. So inadequate of iodine causes the simple goiter. That means the swelling of the gland. Okay, increasing the volume of the thyroid gland. Generally, the thyroid gland is placed in the neck region. So the thyroid gland will be increasing the volume. Okay, that is called a simple goiter. Okay.